What if your everyday carry could secretly double as a survival kit and even protect you in a dangerous situation? Today, we're diving into 20 genius EDC tools built for survival and self-defense. And trust me, some of these are so clever, they feel straight out of a spy movie. If you love discovering cutting-edge survival gear, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the latest outdoor and EDC tech. Now, let's kick things off. At first glance, this looks like nothing more than an ordinary hairbrush tossed casually into a backpack or glove box. But inside, it hides a shocking secret, literally. The Streetwise hairbrush stun gun delivers a powerful jolt of electricity designed to instantly disable an attacker, giving you those precious seconds to escape or call for help. What makes this tool brilliant is its disguise. Unlike bulky tasers or obvious self-defense gadgets, this blends seamlessly into everyday life. It won't raise eyebrows at first glance, but when push comes to shove, it becomes a reliable, non-lethal defensive tool that empowers you to stay safe without drawing unwanted attention. Here's another clever disguise: a sleek comb that doubles as a hidden weapon. The Dapper brush comb knife looks completely harmless, perfect for grooming your hair on the go. But inside, it conceals a sharp stainless steel blade that flips out smoothly when you need it most. This dual-purpose design makes it more than just a novelty. It's a practical EDC piece that earns its space in your pocket or bag. In everyday use, it's simply a comb, keeping your look sharp. But in a dangerous situation, it transforms into a discreet self-defense blade that could make all the difference. Compact, discreet, and multifunctional. It's the definition of smart survival gear. If you want an EDC knife that feels futuristic the moment you hold it, the CRKT Provoke is in a league of its own. Modeled after the traditional karambit, it uses CRKT's patented Kinematic mechanism to snap the blade open with just a push of your thumb. The motion is fast, instinctive, and incredibly satisfying, making it one of the quickest deploying knives you'll find. The curved blade is razor sharp and excellent for controlled cuts, whether for survival tasks or defensive situations. Yet despite its aggressive design, it folds neatly into a compact, pocket-sized frame. The Provoke blends innovation, self-defense capability, and practical utility into one jaw-dropping piece of gear. It's not just a knife, it's an engineering marvel, built for those who demand speed and reliability. Imagine walking through a rainy city street, umbrella in hand, blending in with everyone else. Now imagine that umbrella doubling as a hidden self-defense tool capable of delivering a stunning shock. That's exactly what the Streetwise umbrella offers. It looks and functions like a normal umbrella, keeping you dry when the weather turns. But hidden inside is a high-voltage stun device that can incapacitate an attacker with the push of a button. Its discreet design makes it the perfect urban EDC companion. You carry it openly without raising suspicion. Plus, it's built tough, so even as a physical barrier, it gives you space between yourself and danger. Sometimes, survival gear is all about combining tradition with hidden power, and the M48 tactical sword cane nails that balance. At first glance, it's a sleek, unassuming walking cane, something that wouldn't stand out in the slightest. But hidden within is a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that slides out quickly when you need it. The cane itself is reinforced for durability, giving you stability when walking and strength if used as a defensive barrier. The sword, though, is the real star. Perfect for self-defense, survival situations, or even bushcraft scenarios, it adds a serious edge to your EDC lineup. Lightweight yet strong, the M48 gives you a discreet weapon and a practical mobility aid rolled into one. It's the kind of tool you hope you'll never need, but one you'll be glad to have if the moment comes. When it comes to versatility in the field, few tools are as intimidating and effective as a sickle. The Valhalla folding sickle takes that traditional design and transforms it into a modern, foldable EDC weapon and survival tool. Compact when folded, it easily slips into a backpack, but once deployed, its curved blade is capable of serious work, whether clearing brush, harvesting wood, or defending yourself in a tight situation. The folding mechanism makes it far safer to carry than an exposed blade, while its ergonomic grip gives you control and precision. It's lightweight enough for everyday carry. When it comes to survival, nothing beats a solid, dependable, fixed blade. The BeaverCraft BSH3 is designed with bushcrafters and outdoor adventurers in mind. Its carbon steel blade is razor sharp, easy to maintain, and tough enough to handle everything from carving wood to preparing food in the wild. The ergonomic wooden handle gives you a secure, comfortable grip, even during extended use. What makes this knife shine is its balance. It's not oversized or bulky, but sturdy enough for demanding survival tasks. Whether you're starting a fire with a ferro rod, processing game, or just handling daily camp chores, the BSH3 earns its spot in your kit. Simple, reliable, and versatile. It's the kind of knife you'll trust when it really counts. Sometimes survival comes down to the basics, like staying warm and dry when the elements turn against you. The Arcturus heavy-duty survival blanket is a piece of gear that looks simple but delivers life-saving performance. On one side, it's a durable thermal reflective material that traps your body heat to prevent hypothermia. On the other, it's a strong waterproof layer that shields you from rain, wind, or even snow. Unlike flimsy disposable blankets, this one is heavy-duty and reusable, perfect for camping, bug-out bags, or emergency car kits. It can even double as a tarp, ground cover, or makeshift shelter. Lightweight enough to carry everywhere. A good saw can make survival and bushcraft work much easier, and the Rexbeti Folding Saw is built exactly for that purpose. Compact when folded, it slips neatly into your pack, but open it up and you'll find a long, aggressive blade with triple-cut teeth designed to slice through wood like butter. Whether you're cutting branches for firewood, clearing brush for a shelter, or just doing trail work, this saw makes the job faster and safer than hacking with a knife. Its ergonomic rubber handle ensures a solid grip, even when your hands are wet or cold. Fire is Survival 101, and the RKR Outdoor All-in-One Fire Starter Kit ensures you can spark one in almost any condition. This kit includes a durable ferrocerium rod, a striker, and even integrated extras like a whistle and compass, making it more than just a fire tool. The ferro rod produces a shower of sparks hot enough to ignite tinder instantly, whether you're in the rain, snow, or high winds. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into a pocket or emergency kit, ready to go when matches and lighters fail. Fire means warmth, light, cooking, and morale, and this kit covers all bases. For centuries, axes have been indispensable survival tools, and the Hults Bruk Almike proves why. Hand-forged in Sweden, this small but mighty axe is designed for precision and durability. Its compact size makes it perfect for backpack carry, yet its carbon steel head is strong enough for chopping firewood, carving steaks, or splitting kindling at camp. The hickory handle adds a classic feel while absorbing shock, making it comfortable to use even during tough tasks. If minimalism meets versatility, it looks like the Leatherman Skeletool. This sleek multi-tool packs just the essentials: pliers, wire cutters, a combo blade, screwdriver bits, and even a built-in carabiner that doubles as a bottle opener. The magic lies in its lightweight design. At just over 5 ounces, it's easy to clip onto your bag or belt and forget until you need it. Unlike bulky, multi-tools with endless features you rarely use, the Skeletool focuses on the core tools you'll need most in everyday life and survival scenarios. From tightening gear in the field to slicing food at camp, it's built to be simple yet powerful. Add in Leatherman's legendary durability, and you've got a piece of gear that's as practical for city life as it is for wilderness adventures. When survival demands a tough, all-purpose blade, Holzman's Gorilla Grow Knife rises to the challenge. This full-tang fixed blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, giving it both strength and long-lasting sharpness. The design is rugged yet practical, with a paracord-wrapped handle that not only provides a solid grip, but also doubles as emergency cordage when you need it. Its sheath is built for quick access, ensuring it's ready the moment you need it. Perfect for bushcraft, hunting, or self-defense, the Gorilla Grow Knife is as versatile as it is durable. Whether you're batoning wood, preparing food, or fending off danger, it's a tool that earns respect. Minimalism meets elegance in the Abbey by James Brand, a fixed blade knife that proves less can often be more. Designed for everyday carry, it's small, sleek, and incredibly sharp, making it a precision tool for daily tasks as well as emergencies. The compact profile slips easily into a pocket or neck sheath without weighing you down. What sets the Abbey apart is its craftsmanship. The fit and finish are premium, and the design balances modern style with raw practicality. Perfect for slicing, fine cutting, or quick defensive use, it's a knife that feels equally at home in an office as it does outdoors. For EDC enthusiasts who value both function and style, the Abbey is the kind of blade that turns heads while quietly getting the job done. Some just need to be brilliantly functional. The Tightener Tie Spanner 2.0 is a compact, multi-purpose titanium tool designed to handle countless everyday challenges. It functions as a spanner, pry tool, screwdriver, and wrench, all in a pocket-sized design. Made from aerospace-grade titanium, it's incredibly strong, yet ultra-light, meaning it won't weigh down your EDC setup. Unlike single-use tools, this multi-tool adapts to whatever situation you face, from quick repairs to field improvisations. Corrosion-resistant and virtually indestructible, it's built for a lifetime of use. Whether you're tightening gear in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just want a discreet piece of kit that always comes through, the Tie Spanner 2.0 power is survival in the modern world, and the TAU 2 emergency 3-in-1 keyring power bank ensures you'll never be left stranded with a dead device. This ultra-compact power bank attaches right to your keys, meaning it's always with you. It packs multiple built-in connectors, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, so you can charge almost any device without carrying extra cables. Despite its pocket-friendly size, it offers enough juice to get your phone out of the red and keep you connected in critical moments. Whether you're navigating with GPS, making an emergency call, or just trying to keep a flashlight app running, this gadget is a lifesaver. Lightweight, always charged, and never forgotten at home, compact, discreet, and ready for anything. The Kershaw brace is designed to be your last-line EDC defense tool. Worn as a neck knife, it's lightweight and easy to conceal, but when you draw it, the sharp drop-point blade delivers excellent cutting power and control. Whether you need to cut cordage, open packages, or respond quickly in a self-defense scenario, this little blade is fast and reliable. Its glass-filled nylon sheath holds it securely while allowing for quick deployment, so it's always ready when you are. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold despite its compact size, and the durable steel construction ensures it won't let you down in tough moments. Light is one of the most essential survival tools, and the Wuben G2 flashlight delivers it in an unbelievably small package. This keychain-sized flashlight pumps out up to 500 lumens, bright enough to light up a trail, room, or emergency situation with ease. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about hunting for batteries, and it includes multiple brightness modes to suit your needs. Compact and featherlight, it clips easily to your bag, belt, or keyring, ensuring it's always within reach. Built with durability in mind, the Wuben G2 is water-resistant and tough enough to handle drops, making it dependable in the field. Whether you're camping, commuting, or preparing for a blackout, this little flashlight proves that sometimes the smallest gear shines the brightest. Few survival tools have the reputation and raw effectiveness of a Kukri, and the cold steel Kukri Machete proves exactly why this blade has been trusted for centuries. With its distinct forward curving design, it delivers chopping power far beyond its size, making it perfect for clearing brush, splitting wood, or even defensive situations. The polypropylene handle offers a secure grip, while the heat-treated carbon steel blade is tough enough to handle repeated impact without dulling easily. It's not just a tool for survivalists, it's a workhorse for anyone who spends time outdoors. Lightweight enough to carry, yet powerful enough to replace a hatchet, this Kukri is a must-have for serious adventurers who want strength and versatility in one weapon. If the Kukri Machete is impressive, the cold steel Gurkha Kukri Plus is a whole different beast. Built to military-grade standards, this heavy-duty version takes the traditional design and cranks up the durability and cutting power. The blade is thicker, sharper, and perfectly balanced for devastating chopping ability, whether you're in the jungle or at a survival camp. Its Cray X handle ensures a comfortable yet firm hold, even during extended use. This Kukri is not just for utility, it's designed for serious defense as well. Capable of replacing multiple tools, from machetes to small axes, It's a powerhouse in your EDC lineup. For preppers and outdoor enthusiasts who want maximum power in one blade, the Gurkha Kukri Plus is a true game changer. If you enjoyed this lineup and discovered some new tools worth adding to your kit, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with a friend who's into survival gear, and subscribe for more next-level outdoor and EDC tech. Your next favorite tool might be in the very next video.